Good morning. Today we are starting Chapter 4 in our 8th grade math textbook, Big Ideas, and we are looking at creating a table of values based on a linear equation, and we are going to create a set of points that later on we're going to graph. Today we're just going to focus on creating a table of values. So the first thing you're going to do when you create a table of values is you're going to set up your input, which is your x, your equation, your y, which is your output, and then finally your set of ordered pairs to prepare for graphing. So as you can see, I started out here with an input, which is my x. This is your domain, your independent variable. You can put in anything you want there. Your teacher will give you the expression that you're going to use to create your set of values or your linear equation. And then you're going to set up with your y or your output, and you're going to create a set of ordered pairs from that. Okay, so usually in algebra we use this set of values for your input or your domain, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. You get a nice balance on your line, a couple of negatives and positives, and usually that works well with graphing. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is just input for x your different values of x. So we're just going to rewrite this. All I'm doing is substituting for x the changing values of x. Okay, so you're just rewriting. Okay, pretty simple. Now here's the only, I guess you could call it the hard part. Now you're just going to simplify, and you're going to write down what your y value would be if you were to input -2, if you were to input -1, and so on. Okay, so we're just going to do -3 times -2. Two negatives is a positive, and you're going to get 7. Okay, two negatives is a positive, and you're going to get 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, it looks like there's a pattern here that you can see emerging. Looks like the values are going down by 3. Okay, looks like the values are going down by 3. Okay, so we got -3 plus 1 is -2, and then we have -6 plus 1 is -5. Okay, so we created our set of ordered pairs, and we're just going to write them here. Our next step would be to graph the ordered pairs, but we're going to save that for our next lesson. And that's it. Okay, so you're going to follow these directions today to complete your assignment.